Tired of agent onboarding feeling like throwing someone into the deep end? Let's transform that chaos into a smooth, structured experience using Follow-Up Boss. First, navigate to the admin section. This is your control center for setting up new users. Find it in the top right corner, or your settings tab, then click to proceed. Next, select the users tab here. You'll see a list of all current users and, more importantly, the Add User button. Click Add User to begin adding your new agent. Now, meticulously fill out the new agent's information, including their name, email address, and most importantly, their role. Ensure the role aligns with their responsibilities and access needs within Follow-Up Boss. Don't forget to assign them to the appropriate team or teams. This ensures they receive the correct leads and communications. The Teams section is normally right below the role. Now, customize their stage settings in order to create the best experience. These options are normally at the very bottom and help tailor the experience for the new user. Leverage action plans. Create automated workflows for onboarding tasks like introductory calls, training modules, and system setup. This ensures consistent and thorough training. Finally, review the new agent's profile to confirm all details are correct. Ensure they're assigned to the right team and that the onboarding action plan is active. This is the last step to ensure a structured training. And that's it. By using these simple tips, the onboarding process becomes much more streamlined, and new agents will become productive quicker. Go make the onboarding process amazing.